Our first document is really a test of the system and whether or not it's going to work for you and you can get familiar with it. But our first document is a basic business letter in block style. And in case you need a review of that kind of formatting, we're going to go through it very quickly here. I've turned on Show Hide with this button at the top of the screen. I refer to it as Show Hide. It really shows paragraph formatting marks or hidden formatting symbols in the document. It's a toggle switch, turn it on and off there. Okay, first we start 2 inches from the top of the page, and that means you count as you hit enter 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you're counting afterwards, you're going to notice that there are 6 here because there's always going to be one that moves with our typing. But afterwards, you will see 5 at the top of the page. You type your date, and then we hit enter 4 times. Just count as you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are going to be 3 blank lines. We put in the inside address for the letter. We press enter twice for 1 blank line, and then type the salutation, a colon, and hit enter twice. Then we will fill in the body of the letter. The paragraphs are block style. That means you do not indent the paragraphs, but you have a blank line between them. So you hit enter twice between your paragraphs. Then you leave another blank line before the complementary closing. Then you hit enter 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, to leave 3 blank lines. Enter once to type the writer's title, and then you press enter twice to type the reference initials. Now, if you notice the note in the GDP software, you are to use only your first and last initials so that it will be scored properly. Whenever you see URS for yours, you type your own initials, but just first and last. Once you've done that, do not hit enter even one more time, but look over your document to be sure that you have the proper line spacing for the parts of the letter. Do any spell checking, make any corrections that you can for your keystrokes, and then save your document to that place on your disk where you're going to be able to find it and submit it in GDP.